Hi! When you switch to Focus, this is what you actually need from your emergency switching kit. Let's take a look inside. A switching plan, a step-by-step guide for your safe launch. No guesswork, no chaos. Coffee, because while we handle the heavy lifting, you can take 5. A mop, for a nice clean, fresh start. A direct dial button, real numbers, real people, no ticket limbo. Mini till kit. We remove any old tools, left over from your old IT support. All jokes aside, when switching IT support is done properly, you do not need a survival kit. You just need the right partner. With Focus, switching is simple and drama-free. Let's make the move feel good, not scary.